Hey guys, what's happening? This is Sunny and I'm back to with another video. So guys, in this video we are going to unboxing this wireless mouse and keyboard of Logitech MK220. So without getting it, let's get open the box. So guys, here is the box and let's see the specification mentioned on the box. So here is the some specifications, guys. So here is compact space saving keyboard and comfortable mouse, 10-meter wireless support and 24 mAh I think battery, 24 months battery and 5 months warranty mentioned. I think this is, and there is another key specification, and just forget it. Let's open the box. And yeah guys, it's these are compatible with only Windows 8 and Windows 10. So you must be have Windows 10 and Windows 8 so it's work properly. So let's get open. So guys, box is open and here is mouse and there is keyboard and there's sensor. Only three things in the box. So guys, let's overview the keyboard. So guys, as you can see, the keyboard is really compact in your hand, and it's really very comfortable when you are using it. So guys, there's plastic fiber body, and there is a stand, and the plastic quality was also good according to this price range. And there is put two seal in this. And now let's put it into side and let's see the mouse. So guys, here is the mouse. And guys, mouse quality is also build quality is also good of mouse quality, and the plastic is also good. And yeah guys, according to this, and there is company branding over there, and here is for battery, and put the cell over there. And yeah guys, there's two cells put on the mouse and keyboard. And this is the sensor, guys, which gives us to wireless. So without getting late, let's start working. So guys, let's put the sensor into USB port. Yeah guys, it's done, and let's see it's working or not. So guys, first we need to put the cell in mouse and keyboard. So first we put cell on keyboard. So guys, as you can see, there is two cells put, and there's small cells put in keyboard, and the large cells put into mouse. And we have put the cells on keyboard. Now it's time for putting. So guys, as you can see, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Now let's open the mouse and put the cell. So guys, this is put it into mouse. Yeah, so now let's check mouse is working or not. So guys, yeah, as you can see in my laptop screen, so mouse is working very clearly and fine, so there is no problem. And let's type something in notepad. So let's find where is notepad. So here is notepad, and we open. Sorry for this trouble, guys. So guys, I think you can't see the typing, but guys, as you can see, I am typing very fast in this keyboard, but whereas you typing in the laptop keyboard, so it's you need to type very slow in laptop keyboard. So in this keyboard I'm typing very fast, and using the mouse it's really working well and it's fast. So guys, as much it is this, and guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching guys. I will catch you in next video. And yeah guys, if you still not watch my previous video of unboxing my headphone of Ubon, so please go and check out the video. I have also give link in the description, you can also check out from there. And thanks for watching.